Have you ever looked at the full plate of ribeye and eggs, felt proud of ditching sugar, and thought, why am I still gaining weight? You're not alone. And no, you're not broken. Today, I'm going to walk through the top 12 reasons why you may not be losing weight on a zero-carb carnivore diet, and exactly what you need to do about it. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Dr. Tony Hampton, an obesity and functional medicine doctor with a master's in nutrition and functional medicine. And I want to be the person you turn to when answers don't seem to add up. Drop a comment below and let me know. How long have you been a carnivore? And if you've had any struggles losing weight on this dietary pattern, and maybe even where you're tuning in from. Let's be clear, most people don't find the carnivore diet because everything is going great. They come to it out of desperation, chronic illness, bloating, fatigue, anxiety, to name a few. And often they start healing. Digestive issues calm down, brain fog clears, skin improves, blood sugar stabilizes, autoimmune symptoms fade. But then the scale gets stuck, or worse, goes up. And that can feel devastating, like you're doing everything right and your body isn't cooperating. So today, we change that. Let's walk through the top 12 reasons weight loss may stall or reverse on carnivore, with deeper, practical, root cause solutions for each. Number 1, you're eating too much fat. Fat is essential, but it's also dense. 1 tablespoon of butter, 120 calories. 1 fatty ribeye, easily over 1,000. And on carnivore, those add up fast. Solution, use a short-term food log. Not forever, just 3 to 5 days. Check out your fat to protein ratio. Aim for around 60 to 70% fat, 30 to 40% protein by calories, not by volume. If you're trying to lose weight, slightly leaner cuts like sirloin, ground beef 85-15, or lamb chops may help. Still satisfying, but not excess. Number 2, your body is prioritizing healing over weight loss. The body is wise. If you've had gut damage, autoimmune flares, or long-standing inflammation, your system may say, let's repair before we shed. Solution, track non-scale victories. Better sleep, less pain, more stable mood, improved digestion, clearer skin. Fat loss often follows healing, not the other way around. Honor the timeline. Number 3, you're not in a calorie deficit. Carnivore often reduces appetite naturally, but it can also make you so relaxed around food that you lose sight of portions. Solution, use the hand test. Palm-sized protein plus thumb of fat equals 1 serving. 2 meals a day, no snacking. Consider a calorie calibration week, where you track intake with something like a chronometer. Don't stress, just gather info. If you're eating 3,000 calories but burning 2,200, the math still matters. Number 4, you're still insulin resistant. Just going no carb doesn't instantly fix decades of metabolic dysfunction. Solution, test fasting insulin, HOMA-IR, triglyceride to HDL ratio. Use intermittent fasting, 16-18, or OMAD 2 to 3 times a week. Move after meals. Even 10 to 15-minute walks can dramatically improve glucose handling. Consider apple cider vinegar before meals. 1 tablespoon in water, which helps improve insulin sensitivity. Patience plus strategy equals a breakthrough. Number 5, you're not absorbing nutrients well. If your digestion is compromised, you may feel undernourished despite eating nutrient-rich foods, driving hunger and plateaus. Solution, try betaine hydrochloride with meals, especially if burping, bloating, or feeling full too quickly. Add digestive enzymes like lipase, protease, temporarily. Chew thoroughly. Your teeth are the first digestive tool. Number 6, you're overeating dairy or eggs. Cheese and cream are easy to overeat and can spike insulin. Eggs, especially whites, may be inflammatory for some. Solution, remove dairy and eggs completely for 30 days. Reintroduce one at a time. Start with yolks only, then egg whites. Try hard cheeses or goat dairy last. Watch for signs: bloating, weight gain, joint pain, cravings. You may not have to give it up forever, but you need to know your body's response. Number 7, you're chronically stressed. Stress elevates cortisol, which increases blood sugar, encourages belly fat, and suppresses thyroid and sex hormones. Solution, practice deep breathing. 4-7-8 method. Use adaptogens like ashwagandha or rhodiola if tolerated. Prioritize joyful movement. Dance, walk, play. Do a daily stress audit. What drains you? What gave you energy? Stress management isn't fluff, it's foundational. Number 8, you're not sleeping enough. Even one night of poor sleep increases hunger hormones and insulin resistance. Solution: create a wind down ritual. No screen 60 minutes before bed. Use magnesium glycinate 300 to 400 milligrams a day, or glycine 3 to 5 grams. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Wake and sleep at the same time daily, even on weekends. If you're not sleeping, your metabolism isn't healing. Number 9, you're eating too frequently, even with no carbs. Snacking and grazing can keep insulin levels elevated. Solution: eat 2 solid meals per day, ideally within an 8-hour window. Start with a true fast in the morning. Just water, salt, black coffee if needed. Build complete meals. Protein plus fat plus salt. That's it. Time-restricted eating helps your body burn stored fat, not just what you ate last. Number 10, you're in menopause or have hormonal imbalances. Lower estrogen equals increased insulin resistance, lower muscle mass, higher body fat. Solution: get your labs. Estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, DHEA, FSH, LH. Resistance training is a non-negotiable, 2 to 3 times a week minimum. Consider biological HRT with a trained provider. Support naturally with zinc, B6, magnesium, and enough protein. Hormonal shifts require new strategies. Number 11, you've gone too low in protein. Protein builds muscle, supports the thyroid, and is highly thermogenic. It boosts your metabolic rate. Solution: prioritize ruminant meats, beef, lamb, bison. They're the most nutrient dense. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of ideal body weight depending on where you are starting. Add collagen or gelatin-rich cuts, oxtail, shank, bone marrow to support joints and skin. More muscle equals higher metabolism equals easier fat loss. And number 12, you're not moving enough. I'm talking about non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Your gym workout may burn 300 calories. Your daily movement can burn 1,000. The solution: walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Break it up. Use a standing desk or walk during calls. Start resistance training, body weight, bands, or weights. Start light and build up. Use movement as medicine, not punishment. Muscle is your metabolic engine. Let's fuel it. So let's bring it all together. If the scale isn't moving, here's your checklist for action. Cut out dairy and eggs for 30 days. Track your meals and portions for 5 to 7 days. Adjust fat to protein ratio. Leaner cuts if needed. Fast for 14 to 16 hours a day. Prioritize sleep, stress, and movement. Get your labs, including fasting insulin, sex hormones, thyroid hormones. Don't obsess. Just observe and adjust. This isn't punishment, it's precision. And when healing meets precision, that's when real change happens. You're not crazy, you're not a failure, and you don't need to give up. You need the right map and a guide who's seen the terrain. The carnivore diet is powerful, but when it's not working, you don't throw it out. You fine-tune it, and that's what we just did. So if this video gave you clarity or confidence, hit like, subscribe, and check the playlist in the description. There are more videos that go deeper into things like insulin resistance, weight loss plateaus, hormone balance, and how to build the perfect carnivore plate. This is Dr. Tony Hampton, and I'll see you in the next video.